start over. You gotta calm him down. Pet him a second.
Here, I'll hold him for a minute.
Corner. Okay, release.
Okay,
release
ready?
the hound.
Final round.
Look, he walks sideways.
He's so cute. That's
He
a little
always
Disney
does
character.
that.
That's Eeyore, isn't that?
Yeah, that's Eeyore.
Oh.
Don't get too excited. All right. Get him. Get him. Get him, Duncan. What are you smelling?
He's
Duncan.
looking.
Duncan.
Oh, he'll look. Just give him a second. I want to see him pounce sideways.
I know, it's so funny. He just like hugs it.
Yeah, it doesn't fight back too much. Woohoo!
Discovered the string.
The string.
I have a feeling Eeyore's tail is actually going to come off for good.
Oh no! Go hide. Is Eeyore's tail supposed to come off?
It does come off. It'll Velcro.
Oh,
and
I
it'll
see.
come off, but it's hanging by a string.
Got it.
Duncan. He's hiding. He found the air vent. Uh-oh.